Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows 11 system. So in the first step, we need to open the folder which we are having a problem with it. For example, I'm having problem with this folder. Then I will simply right click on it and select its properties. Then go to security tab and we need to click on the advanced options. Now go to change. Now click on advanced options and click on find now. Now we need to find out our the device name. So select this, select your device name and click on OK. You can check it here and then click on OK. Once done, click on the apply and then OK. So here we need to select everyone and you can click on edit, go here and we have to give it to full control and click on apply and then OK. Now close all windows one by one and restart your system. Your problem will be solved. That's it guys. You can also check out our description link to fix this issue quickly and effectively. That will be a better way to fix this issue. So yeah, don't forget to like the video and please do subscribe the channel.